You've just wrapped up a long day, maybe grabbed a snack, and now you're finally ready to dive into some clutch plays with your friends in Valorant. You fire up the game full of anticipation for that sweet headshot montage, only to be met with that dreaded, soul-crushing unexpected error message right on the login screen. It's enough to make you want to alter your whole life, isn't it? That feeling of being locked out, knowing your teammates are waiting, and having no clue why your game suddenly decided to ghost you is incredibly frustrating. Well, don't rage quit just yet. In this video, we're going to break down the most common reasons for that pesky Valorant login error and walk you through simple, step-by-step solutions to get you back into the action, securing those wins and flexing those skins in no time. Before we dive into anything complex, let's start with the basics. First, quickly check the official Riot Games server status page or their Twitter to see if there are any widespread outages. Sometimes it's not you, it's them. While you're at it, do a quick ping test or open another website to make sure your internet connection isn't playing hide and seek. A stable connection is super crucial for logging in successfully, so rule out the easy stuff first. I know it sounds clutch, but often the simplest fix is the best start. By completely closing Valorant and the Riot playing from your system tray, making sure they're not just minimized. If that doesn't work, take it a step further and give your entire computer a full restart. This can clear up temporary glitches and background processes that might be interfering with your game's ability to connect and log in properly. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software gets a little overzealous and mistakes Valorant or its entity, Vanguard, for a threat. Go into your Windows Defender firewall settings and make sure that Valorant and Riot Client are all out through both private and public networks. If you're using third-party antivirus, you might need to temporarily disable it or add both applications to its exclusion list. Just remember to re-enable it afterwards. If you've tried everything else and you're still stuck, it might be time for a clean slate. First, try uninstalling and reinstalling just Riot Vanguard from your computer's apps, features, settings. Often Vanguard is the culprit. If that doesn't fix it, your final step would be a complete uninstall and reinstall of Valorant itself. This ensures all game files are fresh and uncorrupted, resolving issues that simple reboots can touch.